Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my next guest, Wiz Khalifa! What is going on?
What's up?
You doing bonnaroo this year?
Bonnaroo?
Okay, so you have me open up.
What the you think you're gonna be doing on stage with me?
I'm on the mic. You're like my hype man.
No.
The crowd will go nuts.
No.
I smell a rapper, Wiz. Rapper, rap, woo, 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 so.
No.
Oh, my God. You know what? Help, there.
Hey, when you take a whiz, do you get a sense of Khalifa? Damn it, I still got it! Bring that naked PA out here now! Here, you son of a bitch! Get him away from me! Woo! I shit you not!